Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to recover hacked Facebook account on PC without email and password, phone number, OTP. So let's get started. First thing first, open your web browser and search accessing and downloading your information on search bar and tap on the first option available there. And what you will get to see is Facebook asking some issues about your account, then tap on the account access troubleshoot, and there will be an option of my account was hacked. Tap on it, and after you tap on the my account was hacked, there will be some help center or secure account option available there in blue highlights. Tap on it, then tap on the first option of my account was hacked and get started. Then tap on someone else hacked my account, and there Facebook will ask you some few questions and tap on no, I can't log in, and no, I don't have any phone number or emails. Then tap on the link Facebook provided to you. If you don't remember your email or phone number, you can simply write your Facebook account name there, but I remember my email, so I have written my email there. So this is my Facebook account I want to recover. So now tap on the I have no access to all of these. After that, what happens, Facebook will show you the instruction of how you lost your account, and click on this start, and there you will have to keep the new email from which you have not created any Facebook account. After that, what happens, Facebook will send you a verification code in that email and your account will be recovered. Any new email from which you have not created any Facebook accounts should be the email you put here. Then Facebook will give you the verification code and ask you for your identities, as in any citizenship card or driving license. You should provide them to the Facebook, and your hacked account will be recovered. And that is it, guys. If you found this video useful, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching.